Hello, I'm Elias.
And I'm Chrissy, and in this video we will explain how the campus management system can help you organize your studies. The campus management system, short CMS, is an online portal that provides many services to students. Being well versed with the system is a big help to organizing your studies. That's why we are now going to explain the most important sections.
First, we will have a look at events. The most important subsection here is the course catalog. If we click on it, we will be shown a list of departments. Click on the department whose courses you wish to see. In our case, we select the Department of Informatics. By selecting Informatik-Lehrveranstaltungen, all courses offered this semester will be shown to you. Make sure that you're listing up the courses for the semester you're interested in. You can change the semester through this drop-down menu. Should you wish to do so, by selecting a group of events, every event in it will be listed. By clicking on one particular event, all details about the events are going to be shown. Take particular notes about e-learning, where you can find links to Ilya's courses, and Termine, where you can find date as well as the place of the course. The building location can be shown by clicking on the map, should the name alone be not enough. If you click on Add to Favorites, the course will be added to your event favorites, granting you faster access. It also has the effect that the event is automatically added to your calendar. You can access your calendar by clicking on Timetable and Calendar Overview within Events. If you wish to export your calendar for a different calendar application, you can do so in the subsection Internet Calendar Webcam.
Let us now take a look at examinations. The most important subsection here is exam registration and unregistration. If you click on it, a list of all exams that are part of your studies will be shown to you. You can register for an exam by doing the following. Click on Exam. Within the registration period, a clipboard icon with a green plus will appear. Click on it. Confirm that you want to register. You are now registered for the exam. You can also unregister by repeating the same steps and clicking on the clipboard with the red minus. Before you can register for events that are part of elective studies in informatics, minor studies or interdisciplinary qualifications, you have to select the exam you are interested in. You can do this by clicking on the signpost icon and selecting the exam and confirming your choice. You can also remove them again just as easily as long as you have not participated in the exam. You can register and unregister as described before. If you click on Create New Certificate at the top, you can generate a current transcript of records. By clicking on the subsections Registered Exams or Unregistered Exams, you can see all exams where you are currently registered or unregistered for this semester. If you feel like some exams are missing, make sure to check at the top that the right semester is selected. From here you can also create a certificate for all your registered exams through Create New Certificate. By going to the section Personal Information and then into the subsection Notifications, you can set to be notified via email if new grades get published.
Another important section is re-registration, where re-registration and payment is managed. By clicking on Payment and re-registration, you will be shown bank information as well as the required sum. If you have already paid for this semester, the information that you have done so will be displayed here instead. You can also set up a mandate through Mandate Management, though keep in mind that you still need to re-register here every semester. Finally, let's have a look at certificates and study certificates. You can click on Create New Certificate of a Study to create a certificate of your choice. It will then be added to a list of archived certificates of study, where it can then be downloaded. You can do so by clicking on it.
If you are an exchange student and you do not feel comfortable yet visiting courses that are taught in German, or if you are just curious, it is possible to select courses that are taught in English. By clicking on the Extended Search for Events sections in Events, you can narrow down your search for events. Here you can easily specify your search by choosing the desired language, in our case English, and you can also specify your study program to only see the courses for your study program.